Let's talk about the connective, the disjunction. And this is sometimes just called or. Okay, so the disjunction is when I'm trying to say this or that, or possibly both is implied. So this is the what's sometimes called the inclusive or. And either remember or I'm telling you now that in mathematics the inclusive or is the one we mean unless we're specific. So when you think about your mother saying, clean your room or you don't get any dinner, she meant that if you cleaned your room, you would get dinner. But in mathematics, if I say clean your room or you don't get any dinner, what I'm saying is you need to clean your room or you don't get dinner, or you could clean your room and you also don't get dinner. It's not too subtle a distinction really, but the inclusive or, you just need to remember that's the one we're talking about, the one that means this or that or both. The symbol for disjunction, so again I need to have two statements, and it's going to be this. Kind of looks like a V, but it's not, it's a little straighter. This is red, P or Q. Okay, so P or Q means P or Q or both are true. And the words here that mean disjunction, we really just use or. Or is the only word in the English language that's commonly used that means this thing, that means the inclusive or. Okay, let's look at a couple examples. P is it is after 9 p.m. Q is Tim is at work. I want to symbolize it is after 9 p.m. or Tim is at work. So let's start at the beginning here. It is after 9 p.m. is just a statement P. Tim is at work is just the statement Q. And then in between them I have or, so I want this symbol. So to symbolize this statement, it is P or Q. Okay, let's symbolize this statement. First I've got it is not after 9 p.m. So that's the negation of it is after 9 p.m. So this is not P. I have Tim is not at work, which is the negation of Tim is at work. So this is not Q. And in between them I have or, which is this symbol. So I symbolize this statement as not P or not Q. All right, great. Let's look at one more here. This time I have Tim is at work or it is not after 9 p.m. Well, the statement Tim is at work is the statement Q. The statement it is not after 9 p.m. is the negation of P, so not P. I have an or in the middle, so this is Q or not P. Tim is at work or it is not after 9 p.m. is symbolized Q or not P.